In this video, we're gonna talk about the measures of position of the ungrouped data, especially the quartile, decile, and percentile. So let's start with the definition. Quartile is the score point which divided the data set into 4 equal parts. And decile, pretty similarly, siya naman, dinidivide niya into 10 equal parts ang ating dataset. Si percentile naman into 100 equal parts. So, for you to understand that further, let's elaborate. So, quartile, 4, dinidivide niya sa 4. So, kung ito yung ating dataset, as you can see, merong hati, 1, 2, 3, tatlo, meron tayong 4 na section, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kasi nga hinati niya yung dataset into 4 equal parts. So, ito yung first quartile natin, or first quartile natin na yan dito. Yan. Yung point na yan. Kasi diba score point sila. Sila yung parang mark na naghahati into 4 equal parts sa given data natin, or yung sa dataset natin. Quartile 2. Ito. Quartile 3. Ito, and yung quartile 4. As you can see, kapag sinusolve natin sila, pag hinanap natin si quartile 2, sobrang dali lang kasi si quartile 2, siya lagi yung midpoint, siya yung nasa gitna. We will talk about that later. Yung quartile 4 naman, siya yung nasa dulong value lagi. So kadalasang hinahanap, pinapahanap sa libro or sa mga exercises, assessment na binibigay is yung quartile 1 and quartile 3. Kasi si quartile 2, madali lang hanapin. Siya yung nasa gitna, pinakagitna. Siya yung median. Quartile 4, dulo. Then ang formula dito ay Q sub K equals K over 4 times N. K is ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4, yung places ng quartile. N yung N naman natin, yung number ng given data, yung number ng dataset, number ng elements sa dataset. Next, decile. So decile naman is divided our dataset into 10 equal parts. So D sub 1, or yung first decile natin ay nandito, decile 2 andyan, decile 3 hanggang makarating kay decile 9 and decile 10. Ganun lang. And ito yung mga score points na yon, yung mga hanapin natin mamaya. Ang formula niya ay D sub K equals, ilan part dinidivide yung dataset natin ng decile? Into 10 parts. So, over 10 na tayo kanina. Over 4. Ngayon naman, over 10. K pa rin. K is yung D sub 1, yung number dito. 1, 2, 3, 4 hanggang 10. Times N, yung number of elements ng ating dataset. Ayusin ko lang, pagandahin ko lang yung sulat nito. Yan. And for our decile. So, ito yung formula natin. Next, percentile. Last na pala. Dito, pag binilang nyo yan, 50 lang yan. Hindi ko na inilahat. Hindi kaya sa Word. Mahirap din sobrang ninipis ng guhit niyan. Anyway, P sub 1 is yung percentile 1. As you can see, percentile divided our dataset into 100 equal parts. So, meron tayong percentile 1, percentile 2, percentile 3, up to percentile 8, 98, 99, hanggang 100. So, ganyan yan. Ang formula naman natin for percentile is P sub K, and you can guess it. Tama yung naisip nyo. Over 100 naman dito. Kasi nga 100. K times N. Pagandahin lang natin yung sulat. And yeah. So this is our formula for quartile, decile, and percentile. Let's apply that formula in answering this. The data below are the recorded ages of grade 10 students in Mr. Freira's math class. So we have 14, 15, 14, 15, 17. Ito yung mga age ng estudyante. 16, 16, 17, 15, 16. Sobrang dami. Ang gagawin natin dito, hindi tayo pwedeng maghanap ng quartile, decile, percentile, or kahit anong quantile nang hindi naka-arrange yung ating dataset. So, a-arrange natin siya from lowest to highest. Lowest to highest. Ano to? So, 14 yung pinakamababa. Ilan yung 14? Dalawa. Ilang 15? Ilan bang 15? Basta sulat ko na lang 15. Tatlo. 15. 15. Dapat pala ibang kulay. 15, then 16. Meron tayong tatlong 17. Sulat ko muna. Tapos the rest 16 na. Yan. So ngayon naka-arrange na ang ating dataset. Hahanapin na natin si first quartile, third quartile, 9th decile, 4th decile, 41st percentile, 77th percentile. And we're gonna need a bigger space for that. Ito, I prepare a bond paper. Ito yung ating dataset. Huwag niyo napansin nyo nasa itaas. Ito na yung naka-arrange. So find first quartile. Formula natin, natatandaan pa, ito, Q sub k equals k over 4 times n. So Q sub, hinanap natin ay Q sub 1, yung quartile 1, equals, dahil nga 1 siya, yung k natin, papalitan natin ng 1 over 4 times, ilan yung number of elements ng ating given dataset? Ilan ba yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. Q sub 1 equals 1, 4 times 15, magiging 15 over 4. Q sub 1 is equal to, kakalculator ko na. Ano, hindi naman kayo after doon kung paano isolve, paano mag-divide ng fraction. After tayo sa ito, yung pag-solve ng quartile, percentile. So, 15 divided by 4 is 3.75. At tandaan, sa pag-compute nito, laging nira-round up. So, round up natin, magiging siyang 4. Anong ibig sabihin ng 4 na yan? Yung first quartile natin is located on the fourth value. Nasa fourth value siya. So, nasan dito yung fourth value? First value, second value, third value, and fourth value. Ito yung 15. Yung pang-apat na value. So, Q sub 1 is equal to 15. Ito yung sagot. Next, find the third quartile. Formula again, Q sub 3. Dahil nga Q sub 3 na yung inalap natin, yung K dito, sa formula, papalitan natin ng 3. 3 over 4 times 15. So, calculator na natin para mabilis. 3 divided by 4 times 15. 11.25. And again, ira-round up. Pag ni-round up, magiging 12. Ano ibig sabihin ng 12? 12 value. Asan yung 12 value? Bilangin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 16. So, ang ating third quartile is 16. If you ask me, saan ginagamit to or anong essence, bakit tinanap natin? So, ito yung ating 16, yung pan 12 value natin, yung quartile 3, nandito siya banda. Yung quartile 1 naman natin, 15 na fourth value ay nandito. So, as you can see, hinati niya nga talaga sa 4 equal parts. Ito yung median, yung ating dataset. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yan. So, anong ibig sabihin ng first quartile, third quartile? Madaling paliwanag lang. First quartile natin is yung first 25%. Ito yung 25%, lower 25% ng ating dataset. So, nandito yung 25% ng estudyante, pinakabatang estudyante. Andito naman yung the rest, yung 75% na older student. So, yung first quartile, yung 15, yung fourth value natin na ito, it divides our dataset into 2 parts. Ano yung 2 part na yun? Yung isang lower 25% at yung above na 75%. So I hope that makes sense to you. Let's continue to decile. Again, to our formula. So, d sub 9, ito yung formula natin. Nakikita dito. D sub 9 is equal to, over 10 tayo. Over 10, yung k natin, kasi 9 yung hinahanap, kaya magiging 9 yung k natin. Times n, which is 15 pa rin. So, 9 over 10 times 15 lang. 9 over 10 times 15. And we will get 13.5. D sub 9 equals 13.5. Round up, magiging 14. 14th value. Ano yung 14th value natin? Bilangin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 value natin is yung 17. Ito yung sagot, hindi yung 14. Next, d sub 4, 4 over 10 times 15. 4 over 10 times 15, that would be equal to 3 point something, kaya magiging fourth value. Yung fourth value natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, yun, yung 15. So, d sub 4 is equal to 15. And finally, for the percentile, P41 and P77. P41, ito yung ating formula. Dyan. P41 equals, yung k natin 41, kaya 41 over 100 times 15 pa rin, kasi di naman tayo nagbalik ng dataset, yun pa rin. So, P41, pakita ko lang sa inyo, 41 divided by 100 times 15. 6.15. 6.15, and if we round this up, it will become 7. Of course, 7th value. So we get the 7th value. Bilang lang, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So P41 is equal to 16. That's it. Last, P77 or 77 percentile. 77 over 100 times 15. So, 77 divided by 100 times 15. We'll get 11.55. Rounding up to 12. 12 value. Ang 12 value natin bilang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16. Percentile or 77th percentile natin is equal to 16. And that's all. Important notes, kailangan ang ating dataset ay naka-arrange from lowest to highest. After that, apply the formula. Pag in-apply ang formula, yung n, ito, madali lang ng formula natin. Yung k is yung number nung quantile na hinahanap natin. Then yung n is yung number ng elements dun sa ating dataset. Laging magra-round up. At yung makukuhang sagot is yung place value dun sa dataset, hindi yung final answer. Para manap yung final answer, bilangin yung place value na lumabas dun sa nagko-correspond sa kanya na data. And that's all, I guess, for measures of position. Thank you for watching, and if you want, you can like the video. That will means a lot to me. Again, thank you.